Okay, my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Yesterday, we were not able to finish those questions of the little girl chapter we were discussing, and we were able to do only short questions first, second, third, and fourth, and we were about to discuss question number one, but we were not. So, let's start with the long questions. Okay, that question number one we have is Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? So, so basically, please, please means to make happy, to make feel happy. So here the word please is used. Please means to make feel happy. So here basically Kezia wanted to make her father feel happy. But what was the result? Result was something else. What was that result? That at last she was not able to make him happy. Something different happened. So what was that? So who is going to tell me? Because in this answer you have to elaborate all the details. You have to tell about the efforts of grandmother. You have to describe all the efforts of grandmother, that how did she send her down to the bedroom to talk to her parents. After that, okay, and how did the call her? Parents call her. How did they call her? Okay, little brown owl. Okay, and after that, grandmother suggested about pin cushion. You can take the episode of pin cushion and you can describe this in detail. That how did she offered her to prepare pin cushion for her father for her birthday present. Okay, and she put so many efforts to prepare pin cushion, but still she was able to stitch only three sides, and when she was doing with lots of care and effort, she couldn't find any stuff related to that. So you can tell about that stuff for scrap story, then how did she manage all that stuff and scrap, and she took all that from the mother's bedroom. Okay, and after that what was lost in that, you can tell about the speech of father which was lost, and this speech was to be given by father. So you can tell about that speech to be given at, you can mention this also, Port Authority. Okay, so this speech was to be given in Port Authority. So there was a complete hue and cry in the house. Okay, so father scolded her very badly. Why scolded her? For touching his things without taking his permission. So all these incidents can be described in this answer in a proper sequence wise. Okay, in a proper sequence, all these ideas can be arranged. Okay, and in this way, at last, what happened? Her father hit her hard on her palm. Okay, but she wanted to please her father, but at last what was the conclusion? The conclusion really made was so drastic that all those efforts went to ground, and she was not able to make her father happy, and she has to pay a lot for this. Okay, now who is going to tell me this answer? Hurry up. Who is going to frame this answer? Let me find out. Good. Your answer is good. Very good. Now let's read question number second. In question number second, it is written, Caesius decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Caesius' father? See, in this answer, what you people will do, you will make a comparison of McDonald's and Caesius' father. Okay, basically, who was McDonald? Who was McDonald? It was next neighbor. You have to give a brief introduction of McDonald's. Who was that? It was next door neighbor. Okay, you have to tell about their introduction. And he was having how many children? Five children. Okay, and you have to tell about the characteristics of that person. He was loving, he was caring, okay, he was gentle, okay, and he was also a forgiving father. Okay, so you can tell about so many traits of that person. Okay, so whenever she used to look at the house of McDonald, she saw that they were always smiling. They had a very great time. They had a great time. They were always happy. They were always happy. They had a very great time. Okay, so he always used to treat children in a very friendly way. He always treated his children in a very friendly way. So you can tell different kind of traits, different kind of personality traits of Mr. McDonald. You can describe the scene of next door neighbor. Okay, what was the scene? So in one paragraph you will be describing about McDonald's. In next paragraph you will make a comparison of McDonald with Caesia's father. Then Caesia's father, who was he? What kind of person was he? Sorry, so he was completely opposite. He was completely opposite to the nature of McDonald's, because Caesia's father, always, you can say, used to punish. Okay, so Caesia's father was very much harsh, very much disciplined, very much rigid, very much strict. So you can tell about different personality traits of Caesia's father. Okay, Caesia's father was always a busy man. He was always busy with his own schedule. He had no concern for love or affection for his daughter. He never used to spend time with his daughter. Okay, okay, so she was so much afraid of her father, and whenever she used to communicate with her father, she used to stammer. So you can tell about that small incident also about stammering. Whenever they were in drawing room and she used to talk to them, she always, otherwise she used to speak so normal, but whenever she used to talk in front of her father, she used to stammer a lot. So in this way, in first paragraph, you can tell about the personality trait of McDonald. You can describe about the family scene, which kind of scene she has witnessed, and after that you can tell about Caesia's father's personality traits. He was completely opposite, harsh, disciplined, rigid, very much strict, very much busy man. He was least bothered for his daughter. He never showed his affection and love, and whenever Kezia used to come in front of him, so she used to stammer, otherwise she used to speak so normal. So in this way you can properly arrange that those all ideas, and you can frame a very good answer. So who is going to frame this answer? Hurry up, tell me. Paran, your answer is ready? Aparan. Okay, Aparan, you tell me what have you written in your answer? Good, very good. All the ideas are properly arranged, but you use correct tense. Sometimes you're using present, sometimes you're using past. So you use only past tense. Okay, otherwise content was good. Uh, nice efforts. That's good. Afterwards, Pranay, your answer is ready. Pranay, your answer is ready. Okay, Pranay, you tell me what. Yes, what have you written in this answer? Your answer is good. Same mistake you are also committing. Do not, did not, does not. You are using. Beta, please, bache, use correct tense. All of the sentence formation should be done using past tense because we have to tell about the experience of past. So it's better that you use past tense and did not, etc. Okay, past indefinite tense should be used and ideas are okay. Good. Now let's move to question number third. We have question number third is how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? Okay, so this is a very beautiful question. This is one of my favorite question because here the story completely transforms. Story completely changes. So how does it change? We can find out in this answer. So now we have question number third that how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? Okay, so for writing this answer, what you are supposed to write down, see how will you arrange all these ideas. That how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? You have to tell about the episode of Kezia's mother, when she started falling ill, okay, when she was hospitalized, okay. So you have to tell about this thing in the beginning that when mother was hospitalized and grandmother, she has to also accompany her. Okay, so who was left at home? Left at home, only two person, that Kezia and father. Okay, no doubt Alice was there. Cook, you can mention this also that Kezia was alone. She was all alone with her father. So you have to now tell about the incident of night. Okay, because she had a habit of nightmare. Okay, she had a habit of nightmare. She was completely woke up. She completely woke up and she was shivering with fright when she was shivering with fright. You can tell about that incident. And at that time, she called for her grandmother. But what was a surprise? Her grandmother was not with her. In place of that, who was with her? Father. Father was standing near her bed. Okay, so he took her in his arms and made her sleep next to him in his bed. So father made her sleep when she was completely shivering with fright, she was completely in panic, she was so much afraid. So father made her sleep, okay, next to him in his bed. Okay, so half asleep, she crept close to him and she was just snuggling her head. I have told you the meaning of snuggling when I explained the chapter. Okay, so she was so close to her head after his harm, and she was simply so close to his father, and her father asked her to rub her feet against his legs for warmth. Okay, so then her father also went to sleep. So this really made him made her understand that he has to do a lot of very hard work and That's why his father is always tired. You have to mention the reason of his tiredness. That how did she realize that her father is always tired? Okay, her, her father is not, you can say, like McDonald. So she expressed her feelings to her father by telling that he has a very big heart. So in this way, you can tell about all the ideas that how did mother fall ill, she was being hospitalized, grandmother had to accompany, Father Kezia was left at. So this was the incident when she got a chance to go close to her father. There was only Alice cook. Okay, so she was put to bed by the cook, but she had a very bad nightmare. She had a nightmare. She was completely in panic. She was so afraid. So in the nightmare, what did she see? So you can tell about nightmare also, that about uh, bad nightmare, you can describe that. Okay, so after that, father consoled her. He took her in his arm and he made her sleep next to him in his bed. Okay, so she was snuggling, okay, near to her father. She was so close, and after that she realized that he had a very big heart, that her father might be feeling tired. Clear? So who is going to arrange all those ideas systematically? Who is going to frame this answer? Tell me, whose answer is ready? Tell me this answer. Okay, good. Very nicely arranged, and your communication skills are too good. You have arranged all the ideas, you have explained all the content so nicely, elaborated all the points. Now, dear students, we are able to finish these three long answers also. So, today you are supposed to, yes, Saksham, I'm giving you chance, just wait. Dhiren, I'm also giving you chance. I'm going to listen to you. Let me explain. So, you do these three questions in your fair notebook. Okay? And our syllabus of these three chapters is done. The little girl is complete, and tomorrow we are going to begin with a new chapter, so get ready for that. And now if you have a doubt, you can raise your hand. I'm going to ask about your queries. Okay, and by the time, I know it is a fake ID of Saksham, I know very very well. That's why he's so eager to tell me the answer. He's raising his hand, he wants to tell something. I'm going to listen, just wait. So my dear student, you do these three questions in your fair notebook. Okay,